Hello everyone. Today we are diving deep into crucial topic for any debating data analyst, understanding the core difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. By the end of this session, you will be well equipped of confidently discuss the difference between these concepts in any interview settings. To give you a roadmap of this journey today, we will start with a brief introduction to machine learning, dive into nuance of supervised and unsupervised learning, highlight their key difference, explore practical application, and wrap up with a potential interview question. Let's kick off with a primer on machine learning. Think of it as teaching computer to learn from experience. Just as we learn from our past, algorithms use past data to make future predictions. It is a powerful subset of AI and is reshaping industries globally. And what is supervised learning? Now, imagine you are teaching a child to differentiate between foods. You show them an apple and say, this is an apple. This method where you are providing direct input-output pairs and asking to supervise learning. Computers are given label data, and their goal is to learn the relationship. Under supervised learning, we mainly encounter two types: regression, predicting continuous values like the temperature or stock price, and classification, categorizing data like determining if an email is spam or not. What is unsupervised learning? Continuing our analogy, now imagine show the child a bunch of food without naming them and ask them to group similar ones together. This is unsupervised learning, and the computer is not given any explicit instructions. Instead, it identifies patterns and relationships in unlabeled data. And for example, crafting, like grouping customers based on buying habits or association, finding relationship between products and large data sets, like those who buy bread often leave bright butter. And the key difference, while both techniques falls under machine learning, they serve distinct purpose. For data part, supervised use labeled data, while unsupervised work with unlabeled data, while supervised predict a label, unsupervised seek hidden patterns. Supervised benefits from other from direct feedback, and unsupervised does not. And supervised learning powers email spam filters, image recognition, and stock market predictions. Unsupervised learning helps in customer segmentation, understanding purchasing behavior, and detecting anomalies in datasets. And for example, can you use supervised learning for customer segmentation? Typically, customer segmentation is an unsupervised task, as we aim to group data points without pre-existing labels. Another popular question is, what kind of data do you need for supervised learning? And the answer, for supervised learning, label data is essential, meaning each input data point has corresponding label data. And to wrap up, this is predicting whether it's predicting output and with label data in supervised learning or finding hidden patterns in unsupervised learning. Both methods hold immense significance in data analysis. Mastering this concept is key to excel in your interviews and your future roles as a data analyst. Thank you for the time today.